Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am steaming my face, y'all. I am cleaning this face. I am so tired of having this dry skin. I am about to clean my face. I am steaming it right now. Yes, I'm trying to get these impurities out of my face. You see that? You see that steam? I'm not using the regular like facial one. I do have one of those where you put your face in the thing and the steam comes up, but it just it takes too long. Y'all want to see my secret? Y'all want to see what I'm using? And it's not real, it's not close up because this thing right here, you see how it's kicking? All right, y'all ready? It's just a little Conair. It's for your clothes, you know, the steamer for your clothes. But I put it on and I just push it a little bit further away, but I love how the steam comes out into my face. And you see the sweat just dripping down from the steam. And I can actually taste the salt, so it's like cleaning those impurities out of my face. So what do you guys do to clean your face? What's your routine? What products do you use? What makes your skin soft? What can I get rid of these wrinkles? And these bags. These are hereditary. I swear they run in my family. My dad had them. My aunt had them. I think my grandmother had them. So it is what it is. But what products are you guys using, if you care to share? Just wanted to come on and say, hey, I know I've been MIA for a minute. I'll be back with another video really, really soon. And just wanted to share my little routine. I'm just going to again steam it, use my little cotton ball to wipe off any excess eyeliner. Look at that. Got to get that face clean, and that was just eyeliner from today, so I hadn't really got it off yet. But yeah, we got to take care of ourselves. We got to take care of our skin. So anyway, don't want to keep you long. Just wanted to say hey, let you know what I was doing, and I'll be back with some more videos soon. All right, have a good night. Bye.